Welcome to The Explainer. So today we're looking at something that honestly feels like it's been pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it is happening right now out in the real world. We're talking about this massive shift in robotics. Moving away from those clunky single-task machines and moving towards a true commercial reality of humanoid workers. And the company leading this incredible charge? Figure AI. Get ready, because the way we think about physical labor is literally about to change forever.
Okay, let's dive into this. What if one robot could learn any job? Just think about the implications of that for a second. Right now, global supply chains are completely bottlenecked by these massive labor shortages. We simply don't have enough people to do the heavily physical, the repetitive, or the dangerous jobs. But what if we didn't have to build a highly specific, entirely new machine for every single different task on a factory floor? What if one single machine could just learn? That is the monumental challenge Figure AI is tackling head-on.
Section 1. The Humanoid Vision, Rethinking the Robot Worker. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the contrast. When founder and CEO Brett Adcock launched Figure AI out in Sunnyvale back in 2022, he recognized a fundamental flaw in modern manufacturing. See, right now, we rely super heavily on single-purpose robots. These are machines locked into very rigid, pre-programmed paths. If a factory layout shifts by even an inch, that robot needs a massive overhaul. Figure AI's objective, on the other hand, is the general-purpose humanoid, basically a machine driven by AI that observes, adapts, and learns multiple tasks on the fly. This is their absolute core differentiator. So let's define exactly what Figure AI is trying to build here. A general-purpose humanoid is a robot capable of performing useful work across various industries and eventually actually assisting us in our everyday environments. Now, creating a machine that adapts instead of just repeating a single task, that is the biggest challenge in robotics. Instead of just blindly executing millions of lines of hard-coded code, these humanoids use neural networks to translate what they see directly into physical actions. That kind of real-time adaptability is absolutely the holy grail of modern robotics. Section 2. Rapid Robotic Evolution, from Concept to Figure 02. And this brilliantly illustrates the momentum we're talking about. The speed at which they are moving from a blueprint to functional hardware is just staggering. Take a look at this timeline. 2022, the company is founded. Fast forward just 12 months to 2023, and they've got the Figure 01 prototype actually walking. And then, bam, 2024, the Figure 02 is released. In the world of advanced robotics, moving from a concept to a second-generation humanoid in 2 years is literally moving at lightning speed. So let's briefly touch on that foundational success, the Figure 01 model from 2023. This was their very first functional humanoid prototype, demonstrating actual walking and object handling. They got past that theoretical phase incredibly quickly and proved their hardware could physically navigate the world. You actually might remember the viral video of Figure 01 figuring out how to operate a Keurig and make a cup of coffee, all just by observing human demonstrations. Crazy, right? But it happened. But then we get to the 2024 model, the Figure 02, and it represents a massive leap in capabilities. We are talking about way faster onboard processing, way better dexterity with redesigned hands, but the real game changer is the advanced AI integration. They've essentially given this robot an AI brain, which means it doesn't just move, it can actually process its environment and communicate naturally in real time. It doesn't just execute commands, it thinks. Section 3. The Power Partnerships, Heavyweight Industry Backing. Now you might be thinking, okay, this sounds like a cool startup fantasy, right? Well, not at all. Drop these massive authority names: BMW Group, Microsoft, OpenAI, NVIDIA. These global collaborators signal a huge industry shift. You have NVIDIA and Microsoft providing the massive computing power, OpenAI supercharging the AI brains for that natural communication we just talked about, and BMW Group bringing the heavyweight manufacturing muscle. These partnerships are exactly what's accelerating their deployment. This is for sure the ultimate dream team.
Section 4. The Future Workforce, Road to Mass Production.
Let's move to and see how this builds, because Figure AI is moving away from just real-world testing toward a highly logical, scalable business deployment plan. Phase 1 starts right where the need is most critical: factory operations. Next up, Phase 2 tackles warehouse tasks. Once the tech is proven in those controlled settings, they roll into Phase 3, retail. And finally, the ultimate goal, Phase 4, home assistance. They are grounding this futuristic vision into a step-by-step roadmap that literally ends right inside our homes. Which leads us to the big so what of all this. The long-term goal is the mass production of these general-purpose humanoids. Figure AI isn't just trying to build a few specialized robots as some kind of expensive novelty. They are all about scaling up production to fill those critical global labor shortages. It's about creating a scalable workforce to keep our supply chains and industries moving. To encapsulate this entire explainer cleanly, this quote really hits the nail on the head. Figure AI is building a general-purpose humanoid workforce, combining advanced robotics and AI to create robots that can learn, adapt, and work alongside humans. That is it in a nutshell. It is the powerful combination of physical robotics and digital AI, creating a truly adaptable worker. So, as we wrap up this explainer and look toward a future that is arriving way faster than anyone anticipated, I want to leave you with this. Are you ready for a humanoid coworker? Because they're being built, they're actively learning, and they might just be joining your team a lot sooner than you think. Thanks for exploring the fascinating world of Figure AI with me, and I'll catch you on the next explainer.